Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So for today's video, I'll be sharing my top favorite Bath and Body products. I absolutely love products that make me smell amazing, make me feel good about myself, refreshed and hygienic, and I literally hunt for products like that. So here are my top picks. All of these products are on discount right now, so I can't wait for you all to know my favorites. So without any further ado, let's quickly get into the video. Alright, so my number one pick is this Chemist Play Underarm Roll-On. Oh my god, this product is so good. I've been using it since months and months. And if you have sweaty, smelly underarms, this product is for you. Especially in summers, you just can't help. आप कितना भी try करोगे, कितना भी powder लगाओगे, perfume लगाओगे, that pungent smell will always be there. And this little product will eliminate that pungent smell. It also has 5% AHA, so if you have pigmented underarms, उसमें भी बहुत ज़्यादा help करेगा. I absolutely love it. The smell is amazing. It comes in this aqua fragrance. It is for 399 rupees, available on a 20% off right now at 320. Go and buy it. You will not regret it. Alright, so my second pick is a Bath and Body lotion, and this is the lotion. It's called Dahlia, and oh my god, if you've used Bath and Body products before, you know what I'm talking about. They smell so damn good. This one is a perfect combination of vanilla, cocoa bean, floral, just everything that I like put together is in this bottle. And बहुत बार पता है क्या होता है कि आपको परफ्यूम लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. If you're just stepping out of the house for some errands, you just apply this moisturizer, you're good to go. आपको परफ्यूम नहीं लगाना है because you will just smell so damn good. This is very very moisturizing, and I'm usually not a moisturizer person. I use body oils, but you can clearly see how much I love this. इसका actual MRP is 2199, but right now I got this at rupees 650, and for 650 it is a steal deal. Alright, so the next product that I'll be talking about, I do not have the product with me because I loved it so much कि वो बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गया. It's the Sol de Janeiro body mist in the variant vanilla and salted caramel. I loved it so much. You know what? I was actually thinking that this product is overrated and I will not like it so much. But the minute I got it, I was in love with it. It has this beautiful vanilla bakery caramel smell. It's exactly how you walk into a bakery and जो smell आती है वो एकदम वैसा ही है. I don't think it's for everyone. If you like this sweet smell, you will definitely love this. It grows on you with time. I think मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद आ गया था. It lasts on the body around 3 to 4 hours and just makes you feel very very yummy. That's the only way to describe it. It is very expensive. I think it's for rupees 2565 and ज़्यादा discount में आता नहीं है, 10 to 15%. But if you are a scent lover, especially this vanilla caramel zone, you will love it. It's definitely not an overrated product. It's totally worth the hype and one of my absolute favorites. So next up, I have a body scrub. I'm not a body scrub sort of a person, but this is the Dove exfoliating body polish. And for the longest time, I never used to use a body scrub. I don't know why, but Nykaa पे बहुत ज़्यादा hype था, and finally I wanted to try this one out, and this is so good. It is a very creamy body scrub. It exfoliates the skin very well, but बिल्कुल भी harsh नहीं है. Skin बहुत ज़्यादा soft लगती है use करने के बाद, and smell भी बहुत mild है. I do not like a lot of fragrance in my body washes. I don't know why, and this doesn't smell of anything strong. It has a very very mild sweet fragrance and I absolutely love using it on my body, especially post shave या waxing के. इसे आप use करो and अगर थोड़े बहुत भी dead skin cells होते हैं तो वो easily निकल जाते हैं. And the price is rupees 800, but right now you will get this at 519. 519 के लिए इतना बड़ा डब्बा is a steal deal. You can definitely buy it. Alright, so next up I have another fragrance. This time it's from Victoria's Secret. It's in the variant Velvet Petals, and oh my god, this one smells so good. It has a very sweet everyday fragrance. Yeah, I love it. I think ऐसा कोई fragrance हो ना जो सुबह उठते ही आप लगाओ and immediately आपका जो mood है वो energized हो जाता है and you instantly feel good about yourself. It's a very girly scent. It's a very sweet scent, but at the same time it has a little bit of musk in it. I can't explain it, but for me it is the perfect balance. And yeah, I absolutely love it. It stays on for a good like 2 to 3 hours, not more than that, because at the end of the day it's a mist and not a perfume. So इसका जो actual MRP है वो है rupees 2500, but right now you will get it at rupees 1700. And if you love floral sweet fragrances, this one is definitely for you. Alright, so next up, again a product that I do not have because it's over. It's the Plum Body Oil in the variant Vanilla Vibes. And oh my god, if you're someone like me who hates to moisturize, like मेरे में इतना patience ही नहीं है to sit and moisturize my skin, body oil is the perfect solution for you. This body oil by Plum is so damn good. Like इसकी consistency इतनी amazing है. It seeps in so well. It moisturizes the body, but at the same time बिल्कुल भी sticky नहीं है. It smells like vanilla, like caramel, exactly what I like. And मैंने इसका 100 ml बाय किया था and मुझे इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था उसे यूज़ करना. Like it's so quick to use and इतने जल्दी बॉडी मॉइस्चराइज हो जाती है, स्पेशली वेकेशंस में. when for example you're going for a beach vacation, you're wearing a bikini or whatever and आपको पूरा बॉडी मॉइस्चराइज करना है. It's very easy to use, very quick and आपकी बॉडी बहुत ज़्यादा शाइनी एंड अच्छी लगेगी. So yeah, this product is as it is very reasonable. ये ऐसे भी 300 रुपीज़ का है, बट अभी 251 में आपको 100 ml मिल जाएगा. It will last you for very long because you just need 4 to 5 drops and you're good to go. So yeah, definitely अगर आपने body oil कभी try नहीं किया है, it's a very nice, affordable, budget-friendly option which is amazing. Alright, so here we are on to our last product and it's a body wash by Dove. So this is the Dove Relaxing Care Nourishing Body Wash and ये बहुत ज़्यादा hyped है because this is of 1000 ml and अभी 50% off में मिल रहा है. So I think you'll get this for around rupees 400. आई थिंक ऐसा ही कुछ उसका प्राइस है. सो 400-425 में आपको ये मिल जाएगा एंड इट्स एन अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज इट लैदर्स अप लाइक अ ड्रीम. इट स्मेल्स सो गुड. इट हैज़ अ वेरी माइल्ड रिफ्रेशिंग स्मेल एंड इट विल जस्ट लास्ट यू फॉर एवर बिकॉज 1000 ml है. सो अगर आपको बजट अफोर्डेबल अच्छा सा ऑप्शन अगर देखना है बॉडी वॉश का, यू कैन डेफिनेटली बाय दिस. इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट ओवर एंड मैं ऑब्वियसली रीपर्चेज नहीं करूँगी बिकॉज 1000 ml है, बहुत टाइम लग जाता है इसको ख़त्म होने में. नाउ आई डेफिनेटली वॉन्ट अ चेंज इन माई शावर रूटीन, बट if you haven't tried this product out, you can definitely try it because it's amazing. Alright you guys, so this is it for the video. These are my current favorite Bath & Body products and I hope you like it. If you like such videos, do not forget to hit the like button. And for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. I shall see you guys very soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye.